There is this popular effect where it sounds like a group of people are singing together. If you are listening to Amapiano, think of Afrobeat. Narimali, Davido, Burna Boy, think of any Amapiano. Asake, yeah. If you have been listening to these people's music, you have been hearing this vocal choir effect. It sounds like a lot of people are singing together. How can you actually create this choir effect? Don't worry, today's video we're gonna use one ad lib, and we're gonna turn them into this particular choir effect. Let's do this right after the intro. So if you are new here, the name is Gosa. You can actually call me Speezy Beat. All right, I take you to music production when it comes to mixing of vocals, mixing of beat, mastering song, mastering of anything, and also the pro tips when it comes to mixing and mastering. If you're a beginner, I will encourage you to turn on the bell notification. Let me know where you are watching me from. All right, over here you can also get free sample case, free version of plugins. All right, and I think you don't want to lose this particular free gift, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Today our business is to turn one ad lib into chorus. I mean, this particular choir effect that you mostly hear in Afrobeat Amapiano. So first thing first, let's listen to this ad lib. But before we do that, let's change the BPM. All right, the BPM is 140. We're gonna choose 140. All right, then we also gonna introduce our auto tune. So to do that, we're gonna double click on this, then go to the route it to mixer track 2. Now let's go to the mixer track 2. All right, then we're gonna introduce auto tune artists. You know I really love auto tune artists. All right, we're gonna load auto tune artists on this particular vocals, and the key of this particular ad lib is C sharp minor. So you're gonna change the scale to minor and the key to C sharp. Then it says female, so I'm gonna stick to soprano. First, let's listen to the auto tune on this particular ad lib. All right, so let's listen once again. All right, then I'm gonna give it a little bit humanized. If you don't know how to use auto-tune, I have a full video taking you through step by step on this channel. If you are looking for auto-tune tutorial, then I got plenty stuff for you. All right, so if you are new to auto-tune, you can go to my channel, and even how you can actually get the free version of auto-tune artists. I have a full video taking you through step by step, so you can actually watch the video that will pop up on the screen, or go back to the channel how you can actually download auto-tune artists for free. Now let's listen to this once again. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is to bring that plugin, the secret plugin that the pros are using. So the name of this plugin is what is called Avox Choir. And this is the Avox Choir coming from Antes. Antes are doing great when it comes to mixing and mastering plugins. All right, they have not sponsored this video, but if you are looking for one of the best plugins, pitch correction, you can't talk about mixing plugins without mentioning Antes. All right, they are doing great. So guys, I want you to pay attention here. Okay, so with this particular Avox Choir, you can actually change this one ad lib recorded into 4 voices. So now let's browse through the 4 voices. Guys, listen to the choir effect. Now you've heard the difference. We're gonna bypass this. Without it, listen. And with the Avox Choir, let's change to 8 voices. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let's try the 16 voices, guys. Let's try the 32 voices. Without it, listen. And with the Avox Choir. Alright, so I'm gonna stick to the 8 voices. That's crazy, alright? And you can play with the vibrator, the pitch, then the timing, alright? Alright, so we're gonna play around. Alright. Let's try the pitch. You've heard the difference. Alright, so with only one ad lib, you can turn it into 16 voices or 32 voices. Just play around this. Alright guys, so if you found this particular video, then watch the next video to know how you can actually use auto-tune if you're a beginner. I mean the secret way to use auto-tune on your vocals. Until then, give the video a like. Let me know where you are watching me from. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.